How are you? Today we are going to talk about the correct form to use used to.
First, let's look at the meaning of used to. For example, if we use only the word use, the meaning is very different because this word is normally used to express that we are using something. But when we transform this word to simple past and we add to, everything changes.
That's right, my dear friend. We use used to when we want to express habits from our past and habits that stayed in the past and we don't do anymore in the present.
Okay, I'm going to say some examples from used to in the affirmative form. Well, I used to play soccer, I used to run in the morning, and I used to eat a lot of chocolates. Okay, these habits are from the past, and I don't do it any of this in the present.
The structure for affirmative sentence is person or subject plus used to plus verb in simple form plus complement.
Now, for negative sentence, the following structure is used. Person or subject plus didn't plus used to plus verb in simple form more complement.
For example, my family and I didn't used to go shopping. In elementary school, I didn't used to cheat on exams. My brothers didn't used to play together.
If we pay attention, we can notice that in negative form, we omit the letter D and we use the auxiliary didn't before used to. In negative form, used to, used to, yes.
Okay, we can ask question with used to, and the structure is did plus person or subject plus used to plus verb in simple form plus complement.
Let's see some examples. Q. Did you used to eat sweets when you were a child? A. Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. These are short answers.
Now, we will see answer with the same example. Did you see used to eat sweets when you were a child? Two different answers. Yes, I did. I used to eat a lot of chocolates or gummies. Or, no, I didn't. I didn't used to eat sweets because my dad says that the sweets are bad for me.
También podemos usar el present simple para contestar el pasado con el presente. For example, hi Eric, did you used to want to go to the school?
Yes, I did. I used to go to elementary school. Now I take the bus to go to university. How about you? I remember you came by bicycle.
Yes, I did. I used to bike to school, but now I drive my car to get to university.
Okay, in conclusion, we can use used to express habits from the past, and we can use the present to make a contrast on this. And to be more clear, used to is from actions or customs that we did in the past, but in the present we don't do it anymore. Thank you. I hope this video be okay. Thank you so much.